Hey everyone, it's Miss Phillips here with another little lesson, and this lesson is all about drawing. We're going to start by using some tech tools to help us create beautiful images. This first tech tool is a tool I like to call is Lightbright, and that's where we're going to take small little images that have different colors, and we're going to make a picture out of them. Let's take a look. I want to share my screen with you now. And as I share my screen, I want you to watch how I work. At the top, on the top left-hand corner, we have different colors. Here we have a red, orange, yellow, green, and so on. Well, whatever color that you decide you want to use, you simply select that particular color. Let's say, for instance, we want to make some circles. So we just simply select the color that we like, kind of mark where we want to create our circles or our shape or whatever polygon that you like, and you simply just click and drag. If you don't like what you're making, all you have to do is select the X, which is this tool, which is our erase tool, select that, and then select the image, and that gets rid of them. If you want to change the colors, you simply press this one, a different color, and then you can add your new color. Let's see how many shapes you can create and how many images. Have fun.